Let's make some white lasagna. Hey everyone, let's start with the sauce. It's made of 1 cup of raw cashews, 2 cups of soy milk, and 1 cup of veggie broth, all into a medium-sized saucepan. Add 1 head of cauliflower florets, taking off the stems and discarding them in the compost, or as you normally do. Add 3 garlic cloves and put the lid on that and have it simmer until the cauliflower is super nice and soft, and add it all to a high-speed blender. For that umami taste, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. And for some cheesy flavor, 3/4 cup of nutritional yeast, our favorite cheese replacement. Here's a variety of spices that we're going to add. I will leave these all in the description for you all. Some oregano, white pepper, onion powder, and blitz until completely smooth. For the filling, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to start by adding 4 cups of diced and washed cremini mushrooms to a medium-sized skillet or a large skillet, in addition to some ground black pepper, 2 cups of minced and defrosted spinach, and red pepper flakes. Stir it all together until the mushrooms are nice and soft and have released most of their liquid, and add 2 14-ounce cans of chopped or diced artichoke hearts and set aside. Finally, for the construction and the bake, we're going to assemble this basically like any ordinary lasagna. Start by greasing up a large lasagna tray, add a little bit of the white sauce to the bottom to ensure that nothing sticks too much to the bottom of the tray. And start laying down some oven-ready lasagna noodles. You can use the regular lasagna noodles, but these just kind of make your life a little easier. Add more sauce, spread it around, and start adding your filling. I, on the side, made an extra tofu ricotta. This comes together really quickly in the food processor or blender, and I will leave the full recipe in the description of the video, so be sure to check that out because I didn't include it in the full-length video. But eventually you're just going to start using the same method. Add some noodles, add some more sauce, put the filling and more tofu ricotta until all of the fillings are used up. If there's extra, don't worry about it. You can always toss it in as you eat the lasagna once it's done baking. I like to then top my lasagna with some fresh oregano and basil or some ground herbs. I only had ground on me, so this is what I chose to use. And we're going to bake this bad boy first with some parchment paper though, aluminum foil. Cover the entire thing with aluminum foil and bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes covered and 50 minutes uncovered. The 15 minutes allows for a little bit of charring on the top and a little bit of browning. Once it's ready, let it chill for about 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature, and then grab a spatula or a knife and start cutting out the slices of your desired measurement and just eat it and enjoy it. This lasagna is super hearty, delicious, and no dairy, and it's completely with a white-based sauce. If you like this content, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel for full recipes every Friday and daily shorts.